Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Learn Yoruba in One Day. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, share. Let's get started. Today's class we're going to talk about numbers. We're going to be learning numbers from number 1 to 10. We're learning number 1 to 10. Some of you might already know this, some of you might not already know this, but we'll be learning this afresh today. I'll do my best to explain it. So let me first of all start with writing out the numbers. In English, we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 in Yoruba is O kan. 2 is A G. I'll come back to this and explain something because some people say Meji, some people say AG. So, okay. 3 is Eta. 4 Eri. 5 is Aaron. 6 is Efa. 7 AJ. Allow me cancel that out. That should not be there. 8 is Jo. 9 is Son. 10. Number 10 is Wa. 10 is Ewa. So going over it again. 1 O kan. 2 A G. 3 Ta. 4 Rin. 5 A. It's like a 6 Fa. 7 J. 8 Jo. 9 Son. 10 Wa. So now I said I was going to talk about this being AG and some people saying Meiji as against AG. So the best way I can explain this is AG is the number 2. Meiji is the unit 2. So let me just put it next to it. 1 Okan. 2 Meiji. 3 Me. Ta. Me is the same all round. Ma. Me. Fa. Me. J. Me. Jo. Me. Son. Me. Wa. Can I just ask that if you appreciate the whiteboard system, please leave a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if I should continue making the video this way or I should have a talking head. I feel like this kind of replicates like a whiteboard system like you learn in class. So just let me know in the comment section. So let's come back over it again. 1 Okan. 2 AG or Meiji. 3 eta or meta, 4 erin or mary, 5 arun or marun, 6 efa or mefa, 7 eje or meje, 8 ejo or mejo, 9 ẹ̀sán or mẹ́sàn, 10 ẹ̀wá or mẹ́wàá. Remember I said the difference here is èjì is the number 2. Méjì is the unit 2. And why I say that is if someone was to ask you, ọsàn mélòó lo ní? How many oranges do you have? You would say méjì, meaning you have 2 units. You have 2. You would say méjì. If you were to be asked, how many oranges do you have? You would say méjì. You would say mẹ́jọ. You would say mẹ́rin. You would say mẹ́fà. That's the quantity that you have. The quantity in numbers, the units, is where the M comes in. But the number in itself, in the numbering system, you have èjì as number 2. And why I say that is there are instances where, so if you're not talking about numbers as regards position, it's not èjì, it's not méjì, it's kg. It's now a K. It becomes a K. Actually, it's ìkejì. So if you say, this is the third one I am having, ìkejì tí mo máa lò lélẹ̀. Ìkẹta, the third. So if you're talking about position, you would have a K as the prefix. Kẹta, kẹrin, karùn. So the K as a prefix now means the position. I came second. Èmi ni mo kejì. I came second. Èmi ni mo kejì. So the K there lets you know that the number you're talking about is in terms of position. Èmi ni mo kẹfà. I was the 6th. Èmi ni mo kẹfà. 6th. So if I can just do a quick recap, or let me just run through everything. Kẹfà, keje, kẹjọ, kẹsàn, kẹwàá. But that's still like advanced, numbering. All you need to remind yourself, or all you need to practice, is 1 ọ̀kan, 2 èjì, 3 ẹ̀ta, 4 ẹ̀rin, 5 àrún, 6 ẹ̀fà, 7 èje, 8 ẹ̀jọ, 9 ẹ̀sán, 10 ẹ̀wá. So I'll leave you with this. Try to practice this. Just go over this 1 to 10, 1 to 10 over and over again, and it will stick. Next class we'll be talking about 11 to 20, and then after that we'll be talking about 20 to 30, and then after 20 to 30 you would learn that you would understand the numbering system, and then you can tell what number is what going forward. So we'll do the class after this, we'll do 11 to 20 and 20 to 30. So I'll leave you with this. You can take a screenshot of this or watch this video over and over again and practice. 1 ọ̀kan, 2 èjì, 3 ẹ̀ta, 4 ẹ̀rin, 5 àrún, 6 ẹ̀fà, 7 èje, 8 ẹ̀jọ, 9 ẹ̀sán, 10 ẹ̀wá. Thank you very much. Like I said, please leave in the comment section if you are happy with this method of teaching. I'm trying to replicate the whiteboard system that we got in class, and for some of us that grew up at a different time when we used blackboards, sorry, but yeah, I'm trying to replicate the whiteboard system. So I'll leave you with this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you.